Good afternoon, friends. Today we are meeting after long 30 years of school life. We, the batch of 1986, St. Anthony High School, Malavni, Malad. Let's see how people have grown. Let's see people how they are doing in their life. Come, let's join us and meet us. The St. Anthony's 1986 batch after 30 long years. Thank you.
Welcome you all on behalf of 1986 batch to this wonderful evening. And also we extend our heartiest appreciation to our teachers for coming here and making this time very special for all of us. Because without teachers, this evening would be incomplete. Thank you for coming. Can we give a clap of it? Also, I remember I just took down some notes over here. The classrooms, the recess bells, the children running around, and all the naughtiness that was going on in school. It was really wonderful. I'm sure everyone had different experiences in school. It's not, my experience was different than yours. Each one had their own share. But when I think about my school, I also remember the troubles which I had in my school days.
You all believe in miracles? You believe in destiny? Yeah. So 10 years we didn't meet, 20 years we didn't meet, 30 years there. But yes, destiny. I believe in destiny. Okay? And miracles, of course. Our Janet Mendonca, where is she? One fine day, who was already in our Facebook friends, nicely uploads a profile pic with a smart glasses and a very close-up pic. And our Sunanda Kutti replies back to her, "Oh, madam, hi, how are you?" And Nina likes, I like, Shakil was there, Yvonne wrote, and suddenly my son was saying, "Mama, why don't you friends have a WhatsApp group?" So that's how we connected with all the 3-4 of were there with us, and believe me, everybody had one of the besties on their mobile. So we go, karne, 6 months we were struggling, finding, searching. Believe me, finding Dory was easy. Finding Nemo was easy, but finding Lorena was tough. Finding Ujjwala was really tough, very tough. And then Janet and Lena, and Vaughn just didn't stop. Just didn't stop. We were like 10 of us, and then 20, and then 30, and what is the count of the WhatsApp students now, classmates? Any idea? 86 and above. And what batch did we pass out then? 86. Okay. So 3 cheers to our group.
Everyone knows me here, but I was one of the talkative girls in the classroom. So some of them call me Janet Auntie already. My name is Janet Mendonca, and I'm Janet Mendonca, and my name is Lorena. For those of you, especially my friends who knew me back in school, they knew how bad I was in maths. Today I have to say I work with Emirates Airlines as a pricing analyst. So it's nothing impossible. Everything is possible with a lot of hard work. And thank you it's a pleasure being here. Thank you, respected teachers, for making this a wonderful evening for all of us, a memorable one. And thank you guys, 86 batch, we rock!
Good evening to everyone, and good evening to respected teachers and all my schoolmates. I would like to share some good memories with you, because it's been 30 years that since we met. 30 years has gone so far. You never know. It feels like it was just some years ago that we had met in the school and we were doing our schooling and everything. But can't imagine it's now 30 years. We have almost completed 30 years. And it feels really good, to meet all of us after 30 long years. And I'm sure everyone might have been sharing their own experiences. Some might be good, some might be bad. I would like to share some of my experiences also. For these last 30 years, it was a little bit struggle for me. But thanks to God and thanks to the teachers who made that, because our base, that was the school that we had gone through, St. Anthony's High School. And because of which, today, we all are here, and I'm sure every one of all of us are in some or the other position working. Some might be into a managerial post, some might be into a senior post or something. Yes, I'm also working, and I'm working for an international call center for Barclays, which is a UK call center. And it really makes me feel proud that because of my teachers who had, given lots of efforts towards us. No doubt we were mischievous, we were doing some mischiefs. But that is the days when we were in our childhood. But now we realize, yes, because of those days only, we are here today.
And now I remember my teachers, especially Shukla sir, Korea sir, for discipline. We have troubled a lot. We have troubled a lot for both of them. We are a lot of mischievous. But now when anybody does mischief, I never see here and then, right, left, they get. So much strict I am, you can see in Malwani. So many schools are there. But not only in my school, other school children also knows me. They tell, this is Shakil sir, Shakil sir. मैं चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर मैं चला था अकेले जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग आते रहे कारवां बनता गया. Thank you.
And I would like to thank teachers because when we were in school, of course, we had a pat on our back. That's why today I would tell, I being a teacher, 25 years of teaching experience I have. I teach in Kurla. I am married in Kurla. My maiden name was Lavina Rodriguez. And now I am Lavina Pereira. I can't forget because when I teach, I think of you, dear teachers, because when I pat my student, then I think, this is how I reached 25 years. Without your pat, I would not be here, standing in front of you and speaking so confidently. Thank you once again to you all, dear friends, 86. Hope we will go on and go on and go on till we grow old and weak. I think we will never grow old because after 31 years, we are still strong and young. We still feel that we are 16 years old. Yes or no? Yes. So let's rock the party. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Acharya, I'm working as a teacher for Vidyam in Goregaon West.
And I was very happy the day she joined me on this group. I once again thank my dear teachers for all the trouble, the efforts they took during my school days. And I cherish all the school days, they are the best memorable days of my life. Thank you everyone and have a nice time.
I would like to thank all my friends here sitting around, making it a success. This is really a very, I can't express myself, I don't have words to talk. Susan, don't give that look here. I would like to thank everyone for being here. Okay, it is really a very great day for us. Let us celebrate, enjoy, have fun. That's it. Thank you.
This day is something of a miracle day. It's one of such events which I can remember for my life and treasure. I won't take more time, just short. The idea itself, you see, which Bhopali, Reena, Janet brought up all of us together on the group. Gradually, Peter, his colleagues, Mr. Chanda, other one, everyone organized this event. You see how things happen in life. It is nothing else but the strength of love which is bringing us together. Gradually the concept of idea, we want to have a reunion, we want to have our teachers also, because without our teachers, this event would be the event. So all these feelings, and today, this day, I feel such a wonderful day, where we have our teachers together, something, and that is how
on this occasion, especially thanks to Bhopali and all the groups. But I would really appreciate all my teachers over here, especially Tomis. Now I'm speaking in English. Because in 10 seconds she used to tell me your English too bad. But at least now I've learned, thanks to Val and all. And I remember Shukla sir, because he used to give a lot of pattings on me. Okay, for my all bad thing. But thank you very much. Because of you guys, we have succeeded in life.
It's just that I just believe in destiny, like what Bhopali said. So here I am in the midst of you, which I never thought I would be seeing you all after long 30 years. But it's all because of Bhopali, Yvonne, Leena, Janet, I think all those girls who have made this possible for us. So thank you girls for bringing us all together.
Nice to see you from Mexico. Nice to see all the pretty girls. Enjoy yourself.
But one of the cheapest students in this class and horrible, no studies, nothing. But thank God anyhow I passed my SSC first attempt. After 2 years, by force of my mom, I went to the Gulf. I worked. I got married in 94. But now I'm very happy. I have 2 children, one son, one daughter. My daughter finished 15 now. I'm waiting for his result. And my son got a hotel management diploma. And recently I went to receive his report, and he was the first in the student. Out of 60 students, he was the first. When his teachers, congratulations gave me, so I was very happy. My tears was coming out. Because what I cannot do, my son had taken in the studies. So thank you very much for this also.
Thank you very much, teachers, for your efforts, for your inspiration, for your knowledge which you have passed on to us. And in spite of we all, I mean, sometimes we also have given trouble to you, but you have taken very care. And I wanted to say thank you so much for taking care and inspiring us. Today, whatever I am here, I am because of you.
Thank you, parents, teachers, and whoever we are. Thank you very much for inviting us and looking after us. And you know, I have taught here for 34 years.
It's a great privilege to be here because I never thought I would make it. I was not able to come for the 2 reunions which were had previously, but I'm blessed today to be with you.
आज 31 वर्षानंतर माझ्या मुलाला पाहून मला खूप आनंद झाला. आज कदाचित तुम्ही खूप मोठे झाला असाल, आईबाप झाला असाल, मोठ्या मुद्द्यावर असाल, पण मला आजही तुम्ही माझी लहान मुलंच आहात. मगाशी उज्ज्वलाने सांगितल्याप्रमाणे आमचे आशीर्वाद नेहमीच तुमच्या पाठीशी असतील असं सर्व शिक्षकांच्या वतीनं मी तुम्हाला आश्वासन देते.
God bless you all. I've enjoyed my days of teaching in St. Anthony's. I've taught in many schools, but this was the school in which I taught the longest, 21 years.
and it was only my second co-ed school. The other schools were all girls' schools. So I'm very glad to be here. I'm glad that you've grown up nicely and that you've taken a few good examples. Don't worry about the bad ones. God bless you all in the future and in everything that you do. Thank you.
शुभ संध्याकाळी 31 वर्षानंतर सगळे स्टुडंट बरोबर म्हणजे विद्यार्थ्याबरोबर तुम्ही आमचा जो काही सत्कार केलेला आहे त्याबद्दल तुम्हाला पहिले धन्यवाद. ॲक्च्युली मेमन मिस आणि हे जे आमचा जो ग्रुप होता त्यांना सुद्धा माहीत नव्हतं तुम्ही येणार आहे म्हणून. मेमन मिसला सुद्धा सकाळी मी सांगितलं होतं तुम्ही येणार नाही आणि जेव्हा मी कपड्यामध्ये बघितलं मेमन मिसला मेमन मिस होता की पुढे फिरतो आहे म्हटलं हा तुमच्या तुम्ही मला इथे खेचून आणलं. तो लवचिकच असं ना लवचिक तो कसं खेचतो असं तुम्ही मला इथे खेचून आणलेलं आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
गुड इव्हनिंग. आणि तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी आमची आठवण ठेवली, आम्हाला बोलावलं आणि सगळ्यांचे परत एकदा सगळ्यांचे चेहरे आम्हाला बघायला मिळाले त्याबद्दल तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना धन्यवाद. आणि अशीच आमची आठवण ठेवा, आमच्यासाठी प्रार्थना करा. आता आमची सगळ्यांची साठी उलटलेली आहे त्यामुळे आता काही पुढचे जे दिवस राहतील ते चांगले सुखाने आणि चांगलं आरोग्य मिळावं यासाठी तुम्ही आमच्यासाठी प्रार्थना करा. आम्ही पण तुमच्यासाठी नेहमी प्रार्थना करू.
या रत्न संध्याकाळी तुम्ही आम्हाला बोलावलं, आमची आठवण तुम्ही केली याबद्दल तुम्हाला सर्वांना धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.
That you have put in to make this evening a very memorable one, and it was a gracious evening. We enjoyed ourselves. It was very well planned and very well organized. And behalf of all, and your efforts are really crowned success. Very well done. It's such short notice, and people so far away. You've done a very great job. And on behalf of all the teachers, I thank you for the enjoyable time that we had in your midst. We will always remember you and remember you especially in our prayers and all our good wishes to you for a happy, successful life. Thank you.
आज एवढ्या आनंदाच्या दिवशी मला आमंत्रित केल्याबद्दल मला फार आनंद झालेला आहे आणि त्यामुळे मी सर्वांची आभार मानते. थँक्यू.
But let me tell you, every moment what I sat here, I've really enjoyed being in your company and to hear such good words of wisdom that you all have spoken about the teachers. It really, we really appreciate. I wish you all the very, very best and thanks for inviting me for this reunion of yours.
Thank you for the small gift and all whatever it is. I'm so happy to see you all after so many years. 31 years. Now teachers have come old. Thanks for thinking of us, old teachers, and calling us and giving so much respect. आजकल के ज़माने में कौन किसको याद करता है? किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों को. God bless you.